Hello everyone, welcome back to another new video. In this video, I'm gonna talk about the top 5 best squirrel-proof bird feeders that are available on the market. I made this list based on my personal research and I try to list them based on price, quality, durability and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below, and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Squirrel-Buster Plus 6, X6, X28 with hanger wild bird feeder. We all know that a feeder needs a service annually for proper functioning as it gets unsmooth due to the different weather conditions. Brome is the only brand that provides a lifetime free servicing for the feeder they sell. Therefore, with the product, you get a free lifetime service, which is why it sells like a hotcake. The product comes with a cardinal ring to attract northern cardinals. The product provides full protection against the squirrels by closing the door automatically based on the weight of an adult squirrel. However, the effect is the same for larger birds as well. But it does not harm them in any way. Furthermore, all the parts of the feed are chew-proof because most of them are either metal or resin. Besides, the entire feeder is waterproof and rust-proof. You can dismantle the feeder by your hand, which is why it is so easy to maintain and filling. Moreover, the ventilation system is top-notch such that humidity and hot air can escape and keep the seeds fresh and attractive. There are various accessories available in the package like seed buster, pole adapter, and weather guard. Check out the description for more information about this product and latest price. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Squirrel-Buster Standard 5, X5, X21.5 with hanger wild bird feeder. You will never have to throw away your feeder anymore as the brand offers lifetime free service. This is a complete squirrel-proof bird feeder and automatically closed the door to the seeds as an adult squirrel places its feet on the entrance. However, this also means that heavier or larger birds cannot enjoy the seeds as the door closes in their turn as well. The size of the feeder is standard, and no creature can create a hole or chew its parts. Most of the parts are metallic, and the ventilation is ergonomic. The conventional transparent seed tube traps the solar energy and keeps the seeds fresh. There are vents at the top to let the hot air escape and replace that with fresh air. Furthermore, the coating on the body of the feeder is fade-resistant, and even UV rays cannot take away its attractive outlook to grab the attention of the birds. The filling and installation are easy, and you need tools for doing them. It is definitely one of the best squirrel-proof bird feeders available. It is suitable for all small and medium-sized birds starting from chickadee to woodpecker. At number 3, we have the Squirrel-Buster Classic 5.3, x 5.3, x 32 with hanger wild bird feeder. This is undoubted one of the best-looking bird feeders that will attract the attention of the birds irrespective of its location. It is suitable for birds like a chickadee, cardinal, titmouse, goldfinch, woodpecker, nuthatch and much more. The components are chew-proof and UV-resistant. Therefore, it will stay shiny and glossy for many years. The patented seed ventilation system is superior. The seeds remain warm and fresh but not moist. It is due to the ventilation which lets the humidity escape along with hot air from the top vent. Furthermore, the product comes with an automatic door closing mechanism to keep the squirrels away from the seeds. However, it does not harm the animal by any means. In fact, it ensures that the larger birds do not prey on the seeds or dismantle the feeder. The company offers 2 years warranty, and the feeder is quite tall. The components are complete weatherproof, and they do not malfunction in the harshest weather conditions. At number 2, we have the Perky-Pet 336 Squirrel-Be-Gone wild bird feeder. This is a cool-looking feeder and one of the tallest on the list. The feeder has an all-metal construction, which is where larger birds and animals cannot toy with it. In fact, the metallic construction is the best due to its durability factor and protection from all weather conditions. As for keeping the squirrel away from the seeds, the traditional weight-activating cage door is there. This means that while a squirrel places its feet near the entrance, due to its weight, the door closes, and it has to return disappointed. The feeder can hold up to 2 pounds of seeds, and the rustic leaf design on the body of the feeder is extremely tempting for the birds. There are 6 feeding ports available, and the U-shaped perches allow multiple birds to feed on one port. Moreover, the product has a coating for rustproof and durability. However, you need to clean the feeder once every week with a soapy solution. In case you need additional cleaning, and you can use vinegar. Besides, there are drain holes to let the water slip away. And finally at number 1, we have the Perky-Pet 325S Panorama bird feeder. If you face the problem in attracting the birds to prey on your seeds, this attractive feeder will solve the problem for you. It can hold up to 4.5 pounds of seeds, and there are 2 separate compartments available. Therefore, at least one of them will stay active all the time in case the other one gets jammed. You can attract and feed birds like chickadees, cardinals, finches, grosbeaks, jays, titmice and much more. There is a lock-cap lid lock available to keep the squirrels out of the feeder. The tray-like feeding port and circular perch let the bird feed on the seeds from all angles. There are 8 ports and 2 circular perch. The filling and cleaning are both easy. All you need to do is scrub the feeder and let it dry. The shade at the top prevents the seeds from getting wet in winter and rainy season. It is definitely one of the best squirrel-proof bird feeders to opt for. Thanks you for watching guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.